All right. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's weekend was great. Welcome to the second week of recording. I made a profit last week, only 69 bucks. But, hopefully this week will be much more better. Went over a few of my trades last week. I was considering making a weekly video, but just decided not to. May start doing it. We'll see. But for now, I'm definitely gonna record every single session. But I'm just, in terms of weekly videos, that remains to be seen. For now, let's just record when I trade. All right, let's see here. We got a minute left till the bell opens. The first 5 minutes, I'm not really going to do anything. I'm going to see how the market moves. First 5 minutes. And depending on how everything situates, I'm going to act accordingly. 30 seconds left till the market opens. Alright, so as of now, see how the price reacts at 41.13 here. Okay, it looks like it's heading towards VWAP. And we're off. Nothing on the calendar for this. I only trade from 9:30 to 11:30. Last week I've only traded for an hour. But this week I just plan on extending it a little bit more to like an hour 30, 2 hours. We'll see how everything pans out. This looks like a good opportunity to go long, but I'm still gonna wait for another couple of minutes here. I like a long here though, not gonna lie. It's like right on this trend line here. It could potentially break though, so I'm being cautious here. That is why I'm gonna wait for at least a few minutes here. This here looks like we're creating. Alright, the buyers stepped in. Buyers are stepping in. Look at all these buy orders. It's under the 9-period moving average, above the VWAP. So there's not much. Look at the delta here. Over the weekend, I read a book that it's a really good book. It's called it's Chop Wood Carry Water. It's a really great book from Joshua Metcalf. Definitely recommend you read that book if you haven't. It's not about trading, but it's some of the lessons and the stories that are told in that book could be applied to trading. So. Dun, 2 points. Let's draw another trend line here while we're at it. Let's see, it looks like we're going to be trading in this channel. Let's see here, boom. Yeah, it's got like a little channel here. Delete that trend line and draw it again. Got a couple of minutes till 5 minutes is over. Till we found out what kind of range we have here. Definitely leaning towards long here for sure. All right, let's see. Put this. Yeah, a lot of buyers are stepping up right now. A lot of buyers are stepping up now. It's confirmed by the delta. Very bullish. Whoa, sellers are picking up here. 1475. 30 seconds left till the 5-minute bar closes. Let's get the 5-minute chart. Let's see here. Yeah. Back to the 1 minute. Yeah, this market right now is relentless to the long side. Not seeing too many high probability setups as of yet. Don't want to go long here because it is extended. It's heading towards the upper end of the channel that I drew on the 15-minute chart. So I'm not, I mean, to risk, how much is this? Like almost, what, 3 points to gain what? One or 2 points is not too good here. So I'm going to be patient here. See, I could potentially make 18, so that's what? Right now we're trading at 16, so 2 points to risk how much? Like 15? Yeah. And I missed it anyways, if I were to go long. Shorting here is not the plan because I could see this popping up. But look at this chart here. It's like almost like it looks like a cup here. This could potentially keep on going higher, but there's no point for me to. That's why there's no point to go short here too, even though it's at the upper end of the channel. But it is very bullish here. Very, very bullish. So far in the first few minutes of the open here. The name of the game, patience, patience, patience. Heading towards the highs of the session. Just a relentless market to the upside. Wow, new high. It just broke this upper channel. Wow, it's so strong. So strong. Let me draw a new line here. I'm going to draw a new horizontal line. Here's looks good. Yeah. There. So relentless. 9-period moving average above it, trending perfectly upwards. VWAP curling up. Hard to really get any points day trading this market, but we could only get what you could get. Yeah, it's chugging along. Jogging along. Sellers are coming in. Looks like profit taking here. Okay, the sellers are coming in. They broke this trend line below the 9-period moving average. Oh no, shorting here is tough in this strong market, but I'm gonna try. Okay. I'm gonna aim for 114.75. You know what? I'm just taking it. I'm scratching it. Scratch the trade. Too scary. Too scary because yeah, too scary. Scratch trade. I was looking for a quick move. If it wasn't gonna move quick, I don't want to take any heat. Look at that. Oh, so relentless this market. Let me change the settings here. I'm gonna remove the what is this? Settings. No. Indicators. No. Template list. This list. Current position. No. Fills and orders. Show fills. I'm gonna take that out. I want a clean chart. Yeah, look at that. If I held, boom, you see? In a relentless market, I was looking for a quick move if I wasn't gonna get it. I'm really happy that I got out right away. See, but going long too is risky too, you know? Going long here. Should I go long? The reason why I'm hesitant to go long is because of this upper channel. It's kind of extended this move. Obviously, in a market like this, you'll keep on going up, but just I'm gonna wait and see. See, trap the buyers here. I could see people going long and getting trapped here too. Oh my goodness, choppiness. Oh, another short? No. This is shady. Shady, shady, shady. Yeah, buyers are relentless here. But they're buying, it's not, the price is not going up here with all these market buys. Oh, this. This is a tough market to trade. It looks tired. I'm gonna go short. Yeah, I'm gonna go short. Down here. Okay. I'm gonna exit out fast if it doesn't, if it pops. Oh. I'm gonna just take it. Okay. Probably should have held it more. Probably should have held it more. Yeah. Shave. Should have held it longer. Should have been a little bit more patient with that long trade. I gotta take what I could get though, because it is kind of shady trying to short into a moving, strong uptrend here. But you see, the buyers are stepping in, like so relentless. It's not, when looking at the tape, there's a lot of buyers coming in, and it's not moving the market much. So that's why I decided to go short. And you see, just a little bit of selling, this market just dumps. So 2 trades. Last week I only on Tuesday I had 1 trade. Wednesday I had 1 trade. Thursday I had 1 trade, and Friday I had 2 trades. Right now, right off the bat, I have 2 trades already. All right, so the sellers are in control now. See the delta going down. Yeah. All right, so let's look for a long opportunity now because it's almost heading towards a VWAP. Sellers are in control now. Okay, this is very. Oh, it's breaking the VWAP. Oh, look at the delta coming. Now it broke. It's on the lower end of this channel now. Whoa, sellers are coming strong. Shoulda, coulda, woulda held. Boom. How many points would it have been? It's almost like I would have taken breakfast at 13. So it's like what? Right here. Yeah. Missed that short. Missed it. Let's see here. Gotta be careful here. Oh, look at this selling off. Holy cow, what the? Dropped like a rock here. I'm looking at the tape here. Buyers are coming. The delta is confirming this downtrend, but I see the buyers stepping up here. Yeah, they sell it. This is extended to the downside. This is extended. And this is not a fun place to go long or short here. If you're in the short, I'd say still be short if you got short over there. All right. Be patient. Patience. Let's look at a longer term chart here. Let's go to 30 minutes, see how it's panning out. Oops. Oh, that looks bad. I mean, there's still room to the downside here to the 50 period moving average on the 30-minute chart. Oh, let's go back to the 15-minute. Don't want to chase a short here. Don't also want to go long because I could see it falling down even further. Try. Looks like the buyers are stepping up to the plate at this level here. Price is below the 9-period moving average, below the VWAP. So as of now, the sellers are in control. What would make me bullish here would be I would want this price to go above the 9-period, pass above the 9-period moving average and the VWAP. That would make me bullish, definitely bullish here. Right now, it's not. I want to short here either too. I want to short here though, especially with how strong this market is right now. This extended down move. Let's look at the tape here. I'm gonna filter it down to 10. Yeah, there's not much movement. There's not a lot of players here right now. Yeah, the bulls are defending this level here. 41.10. It's right at the 50-period moving average of the 15-minute too. So the bulls are defending this level here. If I was short here and then this action was happening, I would have probably sold by now, definitely. I would have sold that VWAP if I was still in the short before. But yeah, so I probably wouldn't have gotten this move, extra move down here if I was short. Okay, now the logs are coming in. Yeah. Alright, now it's time to find a... See, I don't want to go long yet because there's still the VWAP here. And there's still this resistance at 12.25 here. There may be potential resistance here, so I'm not going to go long here as well. Let me draw a horizontal line here. Right at this level. It broke it. Good. The bulls are stepping up to the plate now. Going to be very selective with my trades. Very selective. This could have been a nice short here at this resistance line and near the VWAP. Could have been a nice quick little scalp here. But I should have acted sooner if I was going to act. Buyers coming up in force, trying to break that VWAP. Now this looks like a broadening formation forming here. This looks like a broadening formation. If you don't know what that is, look it up. It's basically this kind of formation that I'm going to be drawing right now. It looks like a broadening formation here, which this would be a good low risk opportunity to buy from, like at this level here. When it closes this 1 minute, when the 1 minute bar closes, and might look to go long here somewhere. Okay. The sellers are stepping up here. Okay. I'm gonna go long here. Oh, missed a move. That's alright. Where's it? 113. Yeah. Okay, I'm long. What was it? 115. I'm gonna take it. Oh, all right. I can't hold for life, but I'm taking it because the most I could have made was 116 here. But I'll take that profit, baby. 3 trades, the most trades I ever done on the recording here. So that's another milestone for me. Yeah, I can't hold for the life of me. I gotta take when the profit's there, man. Whoa, you see these prints? Very high probability trade with the broadening formation. It gives you a nice little target. The nice target here was around 115. 119. I mean, the upper end of the profit take is 41.20, but I wasn't going to wait too that long. No way. Can I trade for another hour? That is the question. Yeah, I'm gonna build up. I'm gonna have to build up the stamina here to trade for another hour. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. At least another hour. At least another hour here. What I use for trades is I use trend lines. Okay, so I use trend lines. I use volume profiling, obviously. I think using trend lines, using support and resistance levels, using volume profile and using the tape, all is mandatory in my type of style here, because I want confluence of signals here. I want things lining up here. Now, to me, this was an easy trade because I saw that this was a broadening formation forming. It was above the VWAP and it was above the 9-period moving average. That was a really high probability trade in my opinion, based on those factors alone. This broadening formation being above the VWAP and being above the 9-period was just really, really high probability. So I had to take that trade. And it worked out well for me, which is good, which is awesome. It's not going to work all the time, but that's my reasoning for going long that trade. And when the point was given to me, I'm going to take that point. Especially in a really tight ranged market like this one. Interesting. Interesting. The shorts are coming through now. Okay, so trying to break this lower trend line, the 15-minute chart again. So you can see how as time goes on, even though this chart was there, how things could change rapidly. And holding like through all this is an absolute nightmare. Absolute nightmare. Got to be quick with it in this market. No, the buyers are stepping up right at VWAP. I mean, this is not a coincidence that it's popping off these levels here. I mean, a lot of people are looking at VWAP, and not only that, on the volume profile, there's a lot of volume trading at this 1275, 413 level. So these things that's considered a confluence here, where so many things are lining up. This level here, and this trend, this now what appears to be support now. This line, it could break. We'll see. I'm not gonna make a trade right now. If I do decide to go short, it's only gonna be for what? At the most, 975. Yeah, it's kind of shady trading at these levels here. This is a key level. It could pop up either way, so I'm gonna just stay away from this. Let's draw. I'm going to delete this line, and I'm going to draw another trend line here. I love drawing these lines. If it breaks this trend line downwards, and it's very bullish. Right now, we're clearly heading downward. Definitely heading towards lower. Heading lower here. But you see, this level is key. There's a lot of volume forming at these price levels here. No need to do any trades yet. Sitting on my hands. If it goes above 114.25, then I'm gonna make a trade. Definitely for sure. Depends on how it got there. If it just shoots up like there, then I'm not gonna. See, even if it goes to the level, it depends on how it went to that level. That's key too. I mean, if you saw just a huge buying all of a sudden, it would be a low risk. I mean, it'll be a high risk trade to go long in that instance. It depends on how it trades and how it stays that it decided to go into the trade. Like right now, just because it hit that level doesn't mean I'm going to go long right away. You know, depends on the tape, how it's reacting to that specific price when it gets there as well. So I think, just the tape and everything is all key to aid in my decision. How the bar closes, the time. Time is another factor. See, chopping around this area here. See, for the people that said, "Oh, if it goes above there, I'm gonna buy it," you see, you would have been crushed. Got to see how it reacts after some time. You can't just go up to a certain level and then you react right away. Especially as a day trader, you got to be kind of patient, even if it goes to the level that you thought it was gonna go to. There's a lot of volume forming between 13 and 14. I mean, trading for a living. I think in these days it's good to have multiple forms of, multiple streams of income. If you could find a job, if you could learn how to day trade, if you could find different ways to create income, I think that's the way to go. Because even if you have a job, nothing's guaranteed. So having another skill is really, really beneficial these days. Because at least if one stream of income goes away, you do have another stream to kind of support you. So, and living way below your means is another great thing. Because what if all streams of your income just ceases to exist? So never extending yourself is the way to go, in my opinion. Because I tried trading for a living for a bit, and it was like, nah, that's not for me. I mean, if I have like a lot of money saved up, it's got to be at least 10 to 20 million of pure cash, not cash, but like pure assets I have to have stored up for me to even consider releasing like a stable form of income, So yeah, so there's that. Yeah, this is choppy. Trading around the VWAP here. So after this week, I'll decide whether or not I want to create a weekly video. I'll decide. I mean, last week I just didn't feel like creating a video. I was planning on going over the trades for the week, but I don't know if we'll see at the end of this week whether or not I want to do it. Yeah, I don't see any. It's not. Last week on Friday, um, I was FOMOing after the first loss. I was like, and then second trade, I was like, oh, I missed that move. So thankfully, I experienced that on Friday because I recognized that feeling, and so I'm really thankful that I'm actually recording these videos now because there's gonna be a lot of holes that I could review and fix. I originally planned on not recording my voice and saying what I'm thinking, but in retrospect, I realized during the process that saying what I'm feeling and what I'm thinking, and then reviewing it was the way to go in my opinion, so that I could kind of readjust what I need to do if I do make mistakes, and so on and so forth. But okay, so the buyers are stepping in now. Looks like they're trying to break this trend line here. Sellers are stepping in. Yeah, this is a really, really choppy session here. I'm contemplating whether or not to even continue on trading, to be honest with you guys. I mean, I did accomplish by making 3 trades today. I did make a profit. But I'm thinking if we break a certain level here, there might be a good opportunity to get some profits, so I'm going to be a little bit patient here. Let me change this price levels. Open price, high price, and low price. Yeah, it's trading around the open price. Middle price, what is this? No, I don't like that. Yeah, I think, you know what? I'll put middle price too. So open, high, low. Okay, yeah, middle price. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, this is not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna add the middle price here too. It's the middle between the high and low. Okay, I like that. Yeah. I like that price level. So we're trading around the opening price here, and we'll give it a minute here. Yeah, the bulls are in. Broke this downtrend line. I saw the tape. A lot of buyers stepping up. And the sellers are coming in. Okay, so the 1 minute close. Yeah, this is the confirmation here. Now I'm gonna go. I don't know. Nah. Go long? I don't know. Ooh, that's a fake out. Should I? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm scared. Can't pull the trigger. Only because it's extended. That's why. And the most I could make potentially is like the 115 mark. So, yeah. I opted not to. You know what? I said I was gonna trade more, but I don't see I don't see how I could continue on with this here. Just take the money and run, Rich. Just take the money and run. To take the money and run, that is the question. Yeah, my suspicions were... Yeah, look at this. Yeah, I would have been kicking myself over the head if I went long there. Yeah, this was too extended, considering how the market was moving too. Ooh. Yeah. It's hovering here. It's staying. The missed opportunity was here. I should have held a little bit longer, at least till VWAP in retrospect here. That would have made my padded my profits here. This was a missed opportunity. I only got 25 bucks off this move, which is unfortunate. I really like this trade here. This was a really good trade. This is my best trade for the day at this area here, above the VWAP, because of this broadening formation. Yeah, it was above the VWAP, so that was a good trade for the day. Could have held this one longer though. This looks very bullish though. Should go long. I do not know. Yeah, it looks like a... Yeah, this looks like a long though. It's right at that level though. See? It's right at this level here. Looks like it wants to pop above that level though. Yeah. Yeah, if I'm not gonna go long here, then I'm gonna end the session. Yeah, I missed it. Yep, missed it. I should have went. You gotta be quick with this. Yeah, I missed this move. Oh, I should have go in. I do not know. Do not know. I'm hesitating. It's definitely long. It is extended. But still, it's... Yeah, it's a long... Sellers coming in. Even a lot of sellers coming in like this, it's still going up, you see? This is a bullish. This is a bullish tape. Yeah, even with those sellers coming in. Should I do it? I'm scared. And then go for how much? Go for 18. You know what? Yeah, I am a little bit... I am scared. Let me filter this to 1. Let me see how fast it goes. Oops. No, I gotta do at least 10. It's too fast. When it goes slow like this, you know what? I'm gonna end the trading session. I had profits for the day. This is the most trades I made so far in the recorded session. If I wasn't gonna go long here at this point, it's like there's no point in going further here. Yeah, there's no point in going further. I couldn't make it to the 2-hour mark. Maybe I'm just gonna permanently just trade within a 1 hour time frame and that's it. But at this point, I'm happy. I made my profits. Can't complain. Can't complain. I want to thank you so much for watching my video. If you find these videos helpful or you like these type of videos, feel free to like and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching.